Hello, YouTube. Do you see this watch right there? I'll be doing a durability test on it. I need to take off the sealing. This is the sealing. It's very transparent. I'll find the camera. Put it right up to the camera. Where is it? Right there. Completely transparent. Completely transparent. No, the ceiling is off. I actually already have one of these on my arm. A pink one, so this is in perfectly working condition. But today I'll be attempting to destroy it. What is it actually? So I'll set it real quick to the real date, so I'll pause the video. The time is now set on this watch, as you can see, 9:57. So I'll be doing side drop test, front drop test, and then I'll be slamming it. Side facing drop test, 3, 2, 1. Here are the results. It fell off camera, but all the info was saved. It can reset if it wants to, but still working properly. Now I'll be seeing what happens if I bang it against this wall. Oh, an immediate. Look at that scratch. Still the information. I'll try to do it harder. $9:58, still the correct time. That was pretty hard. Let's see. 12 o'clock now. Reset. I've had enough. I'm going to try to shatter this. Ow, that hit me in the face. That hurt. Oh, I heard some spring. I'm done. Done. I'm going to pause and check out the results. Now we have some strange glitching. Look at that. Strange glitch. This is all I could get it to do. Still just that crazy thing. I just checked for shatters, no shatters that I can see. No shatters. And now look in the description for the directions to this. And you can try to find one like this. So again, you need to look for this animation when it turns on and off. So I'll put the direction how to use it down in the description. And I guess that's it. So again, like, comment, and subscribe. And remember to share my videos with your friends. I'm going to delay that by because I want to try to destroy it.